Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Moonriver, or Movr, M-O-V-R. Wanted to do an update on that because a lot of you requested it. It's yesterday, of course, it also was quite bullish, so I'm a little bit late. I'm sorry, but yesterday I already had enough videos to make, and yesterday when I started making videos, Moonriver was a little bit less bullish. So I kind of missed it, or at least I kind of dismissed it as well. But now we're back. Wanted to do a video on that. Yesterday, obviously, was a bit bullish. We'll talk about that. But right now, the price is a bit difficult, all right? Because yesterday, why I should have covered it is because obviously Moonriver had a huge rally right here. Thursday last week, all right? Thursday last week, and it went on until Sunday. And since then we dropped down, so I thought, this is clear manipulation. Also, I mean, there are fundamental reasons to think Moonriver would be bullish as well, but to me it seemed quite a bit like manipulation. That's mostly based on, for example, where volume is coming from. Bitfavo, back then more volume was coming from shady sources. And the price action. So what I thought is that, all right, well, we had a big bump, now it's over. All right, I missed a trade right here, wanted to enter right here around 25, didn't, but yeah, that's just a funny story. But I actually am not sure if it really is over, because yesterday, when we got that bullish momentum, the case, and that's still the case right now, and that is that the open interest is actually higher. All right, so the amount of dollars in open positions, which is just a different word for momentum or possible volatility, is around 36, between 36 and 33 million it is right now. And with this move, we peaked out around 29. So usually, when the open interest gets higher, the price gets higher highs as well. But no, Moonriver got to 32.5 and is now dropping down. So what that tells me, I think there's ought to be a ton of liquidity to the upside. Let me quickly look that up. I obviously should have looked that up earlier, but it's still interesting and very, very useful to know that. And then not the last 3 days. I want the last month, please. Is this the last month? No, this was yesterday. This is not correct. Let me look at the last. Yeah, so here you can see that there's a ton of liquidity right here between $30 and $32, and there's practically not that much to the downside. So there's actually quite a lot of reasons to be bullish on Moonriver, right? The open interest is great, which means that there's a lot of possible momentum, and then apart from that, there's also a ton of liquidity here to the upside. So am I bullish on Moonriver? I'm not sure. I think the market structure right now is more consolidating, so that it's actually moving sideways and that it can still drop down a little bit lower towards 20, maybe $17.5, but that we're consolidating. But I think there's one thing you really need to look for, and that's a bullish breakout. I mean, the moment Moonriver, and I also have a price alert for that, I think the main resistance level right now is between $35 and $37. If Moonriver is able to break above that, there are enough reasons to assume that we're going to rally higher. And that's, I think, the most important thing you should know. If we get a significant bullish breakout, a significant bullish confirmation from Moonriver, I think there are enough positive variables and positive factors to assume that that's a real bullish breakout and that we will rally higher. But those are my thoughts. I mean, that's what you should look out for. The structure for Moonriver right now suggests that we'll be consolidating for a bit longer. So that's what I'm going to tell you I expect for now. But you should know and you should keep an eye out for that bullish breakout. And those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know, I think, for now. If you do have any questions, then, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.